Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to our Resin Art tutorial. Today we are creating an amazing white table adorned with beautiful flowers and epoxy resins. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, gather your material: epoxy resin, hardener, dried flowers, a mixing cup, sticks, and a silicone mold. Make sure you have a well ventilated workspace and wear gloves. Begin by preparing your silicone mold. Clean it thoroughly to ensure a smooth finish. This will be the foundation for our table. Now let's mix the epoxy resin. Following the manufacturer's instruction, combine the resin and hardener in your mixing cup. Stir slowly for about 3 minutes until fully blended. For a stunning white effect, you can add white pigment or powder to the resin mixture. Stir until the color is evenly distributed. Next, arrange your dried flowers in the mold. Get creative with the design. Once you are happy with the placement, slowly pour the mixed resin over the flowers. After pouring, use a heat gun or torch to eliminate any bubbles that rise to the surface. This will ensure a clear finish. Allow the resin to cure as per the instructions, usually 24 to 48 hours. Make sure it's in a dust-free environment during this time. Once cured, carefully remove the table from the mold. You can sand the edges from a smooth finish and apply a top coat for extra shine. And there you have it, an amazing white table made of flour and epoxy resin. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to share your creation with me. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.